another inbox review. This time I'll bring you the Katy limited edition special boxing ambulance Katy from Gecko models in 1/35 scale. The model kit number is 35 GM0070. This kit and this review has been sponsored by my generous Patreon / Ko-Fi sponsor that generously gifted this model to me, and this will be review on the channel and built on the channel. The only question I have, and drop me a comment below please to help me decide what I'm gonna do, is should I build this in one go and come up just with one video, or you guys want to see the step by step and see how I'm getting and achieving the results that I am doing of what I'm doing. So please let me know, and without further ado, let's start this review. So we have photo etch, decals and the figure as an extra. Well, decals are not an extra, but photo etch and figure is an extra. And this was sent by James from Sprue Box, which I thank you so much. I will leave the link for Sprue Box for James' shop. He's a nice lad. He's a great seller, and if you guys are looking for some models, be free to go look around. So opening the box, sweetie bag as a treat, some coasters from Sprue Box and some stickers as well. As you can see, very well packed. I can fault to a T the packaging of this. So we have the instructions on the middle, photo etch and PE, photo etch and decals. I'm really sorry. So let's take all these bags of plastic. I pre-opened them so that will be easy the unboxing, because there's so many of them that I just opened them to make it the unboxing easier. Let me move all of these out of the way, and first things first, let's start with the instructions. Instructions come on the form of a booklet. They tell you here roughly the tools that we need. You need cement, super glue, cutter, tweezer, modeling knife and pin vise. In here shows you all the sprues that come on the box, photo etch, decals, and there you go. Instructions very well detailed, and the amount of details that they go through, as you guys can see, all this suspension is 1, 2, 3, 4 different parts just for a tiny component of the suspension. Tires, they come with the rims, thread on the side. Engine, we start with the B on the engine. Here we go, is mom is the word. Moving on, there's loads. So you can adjust the wheels to the direction that you want, to the left, to the right. More PE to be added. I think this is the rear of the chassis. PE to the front grille. Blimey, it's so much detail, so much going on. It's absolutely amazing. You even have PE for the pedals. As you can see here, you can add PE to the surface of the pedals. More PE here for brackets and all of that. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. A jerrycan box, a battery box, water jerrycans box. This looks like a battery box, although I might be absolutely and utterly wrong with this. So yeah, Chassis all assemble, start building the cabin on the back, and it's just fabulous. Just fine. It's a treat to have all go through these instructions. PE for the rails for the stretchers. There you go. As you can see, the stretchers going on there. It is fabulous. The amount of detail is absolutely fabulous. You have the guns on here on the wall of the cabin, and yeah, there you go. Stretchers with the amount of detail that is insane as well. I know the scale is big. 1/35 scale is big. I do get that, but even though there's so much going on, so much going on, and you have how many steps? 61. You have 62 steps till it's totally finished. Then you have two choice of painting. Option 1, auxiliary territorial service, number 1 training center, motorsport, Camberley. And you have the Katy from movie of the Ice Cold in Alex. So this is the instructions, and as you can see, the quality is absolutely stunning. The paint reference that they give is for mission models, but if you go to the Hobby Color Converter app, you easily can convert that. The wheels are, as you can see here. Let me just take one, and you can see there's no seam lines on the threads, there's no nothing. You just have to cut it, this, put it in, and that's it. Here we have the remaining stuff of the wheels, so the detail for the front and rear up, it's sublime. It's absolutely sublime. I thoroughly enjoy it. You have the hollow headlights, as you can see, so you can paint it, and I'm assuming that we have the clear parts there. So this, all in all, it's really good. Flash, barely any, if any at all. I haven't seen any flash at all. So this is looking good and promising, to say the least. Let's put this to the side. More of the wall. Usually these leaf springs, on many models, they come with a seam line there and flash all over the place. That's not the case on these ones, as you can see there. They are really good. Two halves of the engine, which is absolutely amazing. It's absolutely stunning. The first part of flash that I start seeing is in here on the exhaust, but that's expected. The mud guards, the front of the cabin, it's absolutely amazing, and incredible amount of detail. I'm actually looking forward to build this one because I think it's absolutely stunning, you know, and I need to build this one because the amount of detail and the amount that you can do with it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make justice to this model, but I shall try my best. We will see if I can do it. The parts for the back box, so they are textured here, so it's easier for us to make it look more real, if it makes sense. There you go, more of the back of the vehicle. Looks absolutely amazing. I know I'm becoming repetitive, and that looks amazing, but it does look amazing. The stretchers here, and as you can see, Again, no flash, no nothing, just perfectly molded and injected. They are faultless at the moment so far. So far they are faultless. So we will carry on going with these ones. Let's get more. Another bag. The bags just keep giving, and we just keep delighting ourselves with it. Again, the seat here molded, absolutely stunning as well. More stuff on here. The guns, such a tiny thing, but very well molded. And you can even see the trigger gap there. This is how good it is. It's looking absolutely stunning. Oops. The back of the cabin and the front of it, it's delicious, absolutely and utterly delicious. The amount of details in this. I know that many reviews have been done through the internet and through YouTube, but I still think that I need to share my view on it, because absolutely, man. Then we have the figure here. So you have the figure of Queen Elizabeth, I believe, in here, as you can see. And then in here we have some helmets, some bags, backpack, again some more backpacks, and I believe armor vest, no, water cans, something like that. Probably you guys are making fun of me now because I totally got this wrong. I do apologize. And clear parts then. We have the clear parts for the headlights. Second. Clear part for the headlights, for the sides and for the front. And again, very, very well molded. No problems at all that I can see. Very good as well. Very, very, very good. And then we have this option. Let me just move this across. Again, I'm looking absolutely excited and ecstatic to assemble this one, because it's a lovely, lovely one to build. So in here we have the decals and the photo edge. So decals are good. They don't seem awfully thick. They are not the thinnest ones, but they are not the worst ones as well. So we'll see what we can do with them. We might be able to work with these roundels, or we might just paint them. And then the photo edge. Photo edge, we have 44 pieces of them. That's how much we have. They look absolutely stunning, and I think that once added to the final build, it's gonna be amazing. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying it, because honestly, this is absolutely sublime, absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. And let me know what you guys want to see build, if the movie version or if the brown version. Just option 1 or option 2. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you want to see me doing, Let me know if you want weathered, not very weathered. Let me know your thoughts on it. Think I'm overrating it, or if I'm being too careful. Well, I'm not being careful because I've been just saying good things and singing praise. But let me know if I'm going over the top and it's not as good as I think. I hope you guys like it. See you around the channel. Bye. Ta.